latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Well, hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. Well, have you been worried about contracting cold, or do you already have cold? Then do not worry, because having endured a common cold could protect people from getting severe COVID-19. Well, this is what a few of the scientists from Germany have actually said. Well, a study suggests that the immune system's reaction to different coronavirus could be very similar to its reaction to the one behind the pandemic as well. Well, as a result, lasting immunity from those viruses known to cause cold may actually help the body fight off the COVID-19 if someone catches it, meaning they get less seriously ill. Well, the German research also focused on the less discussed type of immunity instead of antibodies, which have been at the forefront of a lot of studies. The scientists have spoken about something called as the T cells. Now, before we get into the detail of what a T cell is and what was discussed, let's see what the study revealed actually. Well, the blood of around 365 people, 180 of whom had COVID-19 and 185 of who didn't have, the blood samples were taken. Well, the researchers exposed the people's blood to SARS-CoV-2 or the COVID-19 virus which was taken up. They put the virus into these blood samples. Well, people who had the less illness already produced the strongest immune response to this particular virus is what was suggested. There was an immune reaction in 81% of the people had never had COVID-19. So this is what the study has revealed. Well, clearly they have gone ahead and shown that people who had cold earlier, probably they had more resistance to this particular virus. So yes, it has shown that probably people are more protected when it comes to COVID-19. Well, why did they show this particular resistance, you might be thinking. All of you now, you might be thinking that, oh, now that I have cold, probably I can resist it. But you should know why as well. It is said 8 out of 10 people who have never even had the disease have some degree of protection. This is because of colds they have had in the past, because coronavirus is of the same family. The new COVID-19 which we are speaking about is the same family as coronavirus. So for the same reason, probably there will be some component which will be similar to the current SARS-CoV-2, and that is why you might be having some kind of resistance as well. Now, COVID-19 patients with very mild symptoms developed a strong T-cell immune response. They do not appear to have strong antibody responses, but strong T-cell responses there. It is still not clear whether people can catch the coronavirus twice, but this type of immunity might not prevent COVID-19, but it could lessen the symptoms at the earliest. So now we have to understand what T cells are. Well, the reaction the researchers were studying is caused by the T cells. T cells are nothing but in the beginning stages, you will be developing something called as B cells. They will be the first ever antibody that will be generated by the body to fight off or ward off this particular virus. Now, there is something called as T cells. T cells are the memory cells. They will go ahead, they will remember the type of antigen that has entered your body, and they will be remembering the antibodies that need to be generated to fight off this type of virus. So T cells have been generated in most of these patients who have already had cold. So T cell immunity appears to be more common among infected patients, and the scientists say it may potentially last even longer. So yes, this can have an impact on your body as well. Well, antibodies are developed much faster by the body, some within even days of infection, and fight off the illness before being stored in the immune system in case it comes back. Well, the presence of strong antibodies may mean that people do not become ill with a virus a second time, because the immune system is so fast to destroy it. But what was shocking is that many COVID-19 patients, especially those who only had mild symptoms or none at all, they did not appear to be developing the detectable levels of antibodies, causing concern among the scientists. Well, especially when we are speaking about the false negatives being reported, probably this is one of the reasons why, because there is very minuscule amount of antibodies which have been developed or generated by the body to ward off this particular virus. So yes, to some extent, now the study shows that having cold, frequent cold might help in developing the T cells to fight the COVID-19 for a long period. But at the same time, it also is not a verified. It is the human trials are yet to be done. So probably we will have to wait for the same. But probably now we have some hope in the making that probably your colds which you used to have before will actually help you now in fighting COVID-19. What do you feel? Do you actually now have some hope that yes, now I'm happy that I have cold, or are you still tense that you might have COVID-19? Probably you can have it the second time. Well, leave your comments in the comment section below, and also hit the like button and subscribe to News 9 Digital on all the social media platforms. Well, until next time, thank you.